Do you use Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro or any other Adobe software on your macOS and it is crashing down? You're not alone. In this video, we will be fixing with a simple but most reliable method. In the past, I created these 3 videos and they are still working. But this video is quite new and it will fix all of your problems. At the end of this video, if you find it valuable, then consider subscribing, liking and sharing among your friends. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to, on your macOS, go to this website. The link is in the description and after that hit on download. Once you download, go to your Finder and install this app. Here is the LuLu app. It's completely free. Open it. Next, and then finish the installation. Go to privacy and security. If it asks you for permissions, just give the permissions here. After that, go to Finder again and open the LuLu app. You can check mark these options here. Now go to view rule. If you don't find this app here it is. You can go to the rules here as well. Go to the plus icon and locate the Adobe Photoshop. Here it is. Open and make sure you check mark this block option. Unfortunately, Apple is not blocking the outgoing connection, so that's why it is necessary. This app will help to block the connections manually. Add it and you're good to go. Now go to list and here you need to do one important thing. Go to this website, link is also in the description, and then click on get the link. If there is any advertisement, just skip. Here you need to wait for 10 seconds. Now get IP list. Open and press on download. Allow. So here is the file. It's a text file and here are all the protocols you can see. Open LuLu app and this time go to list, check mark this one, browse, locate this txt file and you are good to go. Now open Adobe Photoshop and it's perfectly fine. I quit. Open it again, create a new project, create, done. Design anything you want. Close again, quit, open again, start a new project. If it still shows those errors, simply restart your Mac. Finally, if this doesn't work, that will rarely happen. Then quit the app, go to your Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi. Make sure you are not connected via Ethernet as well. Stay offline. Now open Adobe Photoshop. Create a project and wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Then go to Wi-Fi and turn it on. It will not crash. Another important thing is you don't need to shut down your MacBook. Just close the lid and it will never consume your battery. That's it. Very simple. Restart only on the update and keep this Adobe Photoshop in the background. It will always be there. Hope it provided value and you fixed the issue. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.